What's the meaning of bashful? Bashful. Bashful.
Bashful. Bashful. The word bashful is an adjective that describes someone who is shy, timid, or easily embarrassed. A bashful person may feel uncomfortable or self-conscious in social situations and may avoid drawing attention to themselves. They may also be hesitant to speak up, especially in front of large groups. Bashfulness is often associated with a lack of confidence and can make it difficult for people to form new relationships or assert themselves in certain situations. However, bashfulness can also be seen as a positive trait, as it is often associated with humility and sincerity. Overall, bashful people tend to be introspective and thoughtful individuals.